Welcome everyone to the UWM podcast. Here we have Eric, our UWM founded trader, who have received a total of $2,500 in payout. So how are you today, Eric?
I'm fine. Thank you so much, Alex. How about you?
I'm really fine. Thank you very much. So Eric, tell us about a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Okay,
Have you heard
perfect.
of it?
Yeah,
It's
I
a
have
small
heard
dot
of.
in the world.
Yeah, exactly. Huh? And Eric, when did you start trading?
Okay, it's actually quite an interesting one. I started get to know forex in over 10 to 15 years ago, which
Okay.
I actually introduced by one of friends, and I signed up for the courses.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I didn't really follow up from there. After a few rounds that I lose my trades, and I just chuck it aside from there. It's only until back in 2021
Okay.
where I looked into crypto
Okay.
and I started trading with crypto.
Okay. Okay. So you start with
Yeah,
crypto. Okay.
correct.
And what
So
did?
that was actually I mean, I just trade as per what I feel back then.
Okay.
So using indicators or that to trade RSI or that, but things doesn't done well that time, and I think that I lost my saving due to
Okay.
over leveraging.
Okay.
Yep. Then I was thinking that, hey, how can I actually recover back all my losses from there?
Mm-hmm.
And I start researching and how can I actually trade better from there.
Exactly. So it can be quite hard, and it can take some time to become successful. But you see, like yourself, you never, you always continue and look yourself. Right now, you just had two payout with us. So congratulations.
Because after that I actually try to attend some courses or that, but the training courses are, and I even paid money for it,
Yeah.
and the strategies I think don't really work well for me.
Okay.
So I look into the fundamentals videos in those social medias, YouTube's, all that, and I mean started trading on my own. And
Okay.
then I put a small sum of money into a live trading account and
Mm-hmm.
test it myself from there. Because we always want to actually test out the water from there, see how is this actually work out? Is it working well or not working good for you?
Exactly.
So back then I found that it's actually a small little profit for me because my capital is quite minimum.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, humans being humans, we start getting greedy and see that, hey, how can we actually have a largest capital to actually get to trade with and to have with, and how we can actually profit more from there. So I actually tried to start into looking, hey, is there any like ways I can have bigger capitals or that? And this is where I actually get into know, and hey, there's something called the prop firm back then
Exactly.
in 2 years back. Yeah, from social media.
So it's been 2 years, and which is UWM the first prop firm that you start trading, or you try other ones?
Unfortunately, UWM is not the first one,
Okay.
but I think with regards to the payout, UWM is the first fastest one.
Oh wow. Thank you for that. And and you told me that you trade crypto. Which do you prefer to trade? Are you still trading crypto? You prefer forex? Which market did you prefer to trade?
Um, I would say that right now I'm trading a lot in crypto, but
Okay.
I'm still doing some like altcoins or that, but I'm more into trading with forex right now rather
Okay.
than crypto.
Okay, perfect. Oh, perfect. And which one is your prefer pair and forex that you prefer to trade?
I'm right now fully into Go,
Okay.
and I'm getting collecting datas for indices like Nasdaq and US 30 right now.
Okay, Nasdaq in US 30. And do you now that you are a funded trader, are you still working or you trade you full time right now?
I will consider as my full time right now,
Okay,
but
full time.
in the meanwhile, I do venture into some F&B business.
Okay, for some business. Okay.
Hmm.
And before starting your trading journey, now that you're a founded trader, what was your work that you were doing before becoming a trader?
All along, I'm in F&B businesses.
F&B? Okay,
Correct.
businesses. Okay. And what and your circle of your friend, do you have a lot of trader on your circle?
I wouldn't say that consider as trader full time or that. We do have like a group of friends. We always gather around, thinking that what to trade and how you trade. And I would say as a sharing session within our friends group. And from there, they will actually bring their friends along or that. So I mean, recently lah, I get like consistent profit from there, and they say, "Hey,
Okay.
Eric, how do you trade all that? Can you share with me all that from there?"
Yes, exactly. Sometimes is it important to have the right person around you, and you help to grow together, everyone's. And
Correct.
tell me, Eric, which now you that you are in Singapore, which session do you prefer to trade? Are you more Asia session, London session, or New York session?
Okay, I think I will put it this way. I don't really have a specific timing. It
Okay,
surely depends on the price sections and the price range that I actually interested in.
okay,
So I will actually do up my charting like probably in mid of the mornings or that. And normally I will just put alarm. I don't just stare blank and sitting all day down waiting for the candle to actually move around from there. So
okay,
once the alert ring for 30 seconds, I know that yeah, this is the price range that I'm actually interested in.
okay,
So I will actually open up my desktop or laptop if let's say I'm outside and start looking is there any possible setup, and
okay,
I will actually do for my entry. I think
okay, okay.
most likely is in London and US session, more
London
like
and US session. Okay, okay,
correct.
perfect. And you tell us at the beginning that you don't have necessary, but you don't like really the course. But what is your strategy? Do you have a strategy that or do you use some indicators to enter trades?
Okay. This is actually how I do. So, like I mentioned in earlier on, I will do my charting. So
Okay,
every day I will have a plan in mind that what I'm
okay,
going to do from there. So I will just follow through the plan that I have in mind. So I think importantly is to manage my emotions from there,
mm-hmm,
because I do learn from mistakes last time.
mm-hmm.
So I do feel a lot of challenge before. I do feel a lot of challenge because I used to do revenge trading and
Yes,
increasing my lot size. Hopefully that I will be able to actually get back from there. But all this actually ended up yourself into a field trade. So
yes,
with a proper management, I think, and till now I'm still doing my journal after every trade till today.
exactly,
So I
yes,
can actually look back and see, what is the mistake I've done and not to repeat all this. So as for my strategy, I think each and every one have their own strategy. So for me, I have a improvised versions of Elliott wave and using Fibonacci
okay.
and looking at order blocks and fair value gap support resistance. It's quite a very simple strategy from there.
Okay, exactly. Okay, perfect. So Fibonacci, fair value gap, and your support and resistance. Okay,
Hmm.
perfect. And can you walk us through a specific trade that led you, for example, your last one to lead you to a substantial payout? Which was the pair, and which session was it that you made your
Sure.
trade?
Let me just present it. Share screen. Okay, let me just go back to 4 hours. So over here, you can see that it doesn't break the higher high on this.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I will just go into a 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So I just cancel off this. This is a trade yesterday I took. So yeah, after it doesn't break through the higher high, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and specifically I saw there is actually a dodgy over here. So I think that price is actually going to in a reverse cycles from here. So
Okay.
when this bear candle actually come down, and this is a very important key levels that I actually look into. I mean, it's a support and a resistance levels that I
Mm-hmm.
think price always reject and support in this level.
Okay.
So after that, I will go into a 5 minute chart from here, and you can see that after it actually break through this support and it become a resistance. So that is where I actually took off my trades here.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
And which time frame do you prefer to enter your trade? Is it the 5 minute, 5 minutes, or
I will say that yeah, entry will be 5 minutes will be
okay?
my preferable, but I will use higher time frame to depends on the trends or that.
Okay, exactly. And have you look our course that we offer online a little bit?
Uh, Not really yet, but I will
Okay.
look into that soon.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You should. It's a really good course. And tell us about your trading. What type of trader you consider yourself? A day trader or more a swing trader?
I will say as a day trader.
You are a day trader? Okay, perfect, perfect. And Eric, what advice would you have for people who are starting their trading journey right now, who
Mm,
are looking at us?
okay, always have a plan in mind. The in and the out. That means that when you are going for your entry and when you are going for your exits from there. And
Hmm.
always be disciplined and never allow your emotion to control your mind. That's very,
Hmm.
very important. So I think for me, I will put as your psychologies, your emotion as 80% and your strategies as 20%. Not
Okay.
really focus into strategies, but with a clear mind and a better psychology will turn you into a better traders from there. So
Hmm.
I always tell myself that a trader know how to read the chart,
Hmm.
but a good trader know how to actually turn off the laptop. Because
Yes.
when you have losing trades, you tend to think that, hey, the next setup is a setup that I'm looking into. Then you start like probably over trading, or probably you increase your lot size revenge trades from there.
Yeah.
That is
Exactly.
actually incorrect. Try to cool down and then probably take a break from there and come back tomorrow from there.
Exactly. So, is for you how important is to have a really good risk management in trading? Do
Sorry.
you for you how is it important to have a good risk management in trading? For
Yes,
example,
I think with a proper good risk management, because as for me, I put my accounts into like different type. I do have aggressive account. I do
okay,
have conservative accounts.
okay,
So
that's
when I
interesting.
think the setup is something that I have like probably 80% of confidence, I will put
Mm-hmm,
myself as a aggressive mode. But
mm-hmm.
I think if let's say the setup is something that I me myself is doubting, so I'll put as a more conservative from there. So
Okay,
with a
okay,
proper risk management, I think it is good to go.
exactly. So I think it's really important when you start trading. And tell us, how did you heard about us about UWM?
Okay, so like after my first prop firm,
Uh-huh.
so I mean I didn't manage to get the payout due to some issue with the prop firms.
Mm-hmm.
So I start thinking back. I think I need to actually diversify my portfolio from there.
Mm-hmm.
So I do some research and through profit match, yeah,
Okay.
to get to UWM. And that was actually an ongoing promotions after like if let's say that you got your first payout as a funded trader with the prop firm, they will
Mm-hmm.
actually match that. I think why not? And I think I joined with UWM Discord to know more information about the firm. And to my surprise, the CS was very friendly and very prompt response.
Yes, exactly. It's really important to us to have a really good client services and a really fast payout to our trader. And what do you say that what do you love the most about us, UWM?
Okay, Alex, to be honest right now, I love the payout.
Uh,
Honestly, okay,
for
you
sure,
see,
yeah.
I didn't expect it to come so fast. Okay, my payout date was actually on the weekends,
Okay.
on a Saturday, correct? So I did a request for my payout, and
Mm-hmm.
then uh I think unfortunately I select a wrong wallet for it.
Oh,
And
okay.
yes, your finance actually reply me and say that, Eric, you did a wrong wallet. Can you send us the correct wallet? And
Wow.
I sent over, and then the response was within 20 minutes, like, okay, I will send it to you. And to my surprise, the payout come out within 24 hours. It's on a Sunday itself.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's too fast to believe.
Exactly. Huh? So we're really happy. That's the we really want to have a fast payout for our traders. It's important for our community, and we hope that you still grow and with UWM. And
Thank you.
thank you, Eric. Thank you for your time. Thank you for having us, and I wish you a lot of success in your trading journey.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Thank you. Have a good day, Eric.
Same
Bye.
to you.